Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For this video is all about styling this scarf into many different ways. So I styled it on top of a white shirt. So for this first look, I just folded it in half in a triangle and just knotted it down. And this is the most common look that you have been seeing all over the Instagram or Pinterest. This is the very latest scarf trend that every single influencer is wearing, like. So yeah, this is the first look. I wore this over the shirt and boyfriend jeans and these strappy heels, and I always try to go with clay strappy heels because they look more put together and classy. So for the next look, I'm just knotting it from front and like this. I don't know how to explain knots, so this is how I'm doing, and yeah, that's it. So it is looking like, a blouse, and yeah, that's it. For the next outfit, I just knotted down it vertically and put it down my neck like so, and yeah, it makes a one shoulder top. And you can actually wear it without even a shirt underneath or anything, because it will be appropriately comfortable and it will show appropriate amount of skin that most of us will be comfortable in. And yeah, that's it. I really like how this piece looks like. I mean, this is not like very traditional that everyone is doing with the scarf, but at the same time you are utilizing your scarf and making up a new outfit that will look different and unique piece, and you are always going for unique pieces, right? So for the next outfit, I'm just wearing it like so. I just knotted it from side and now I'm knotting it to make a sleeve, and yeah, that's it. Top is ready. I think this kind of style you can't wear it without anything underneath, so keep in mind that, because a lot of people, especially on reels and all that, they will show you a bizarre thing the bizarre things you can do with scarf, but they are not actually that comfortable to wear or practical to wear. So you can wear something underneath, and yeah. For the next outfit, I just knotted it down with my shirt and like so that it will look like a corset. I was just going for a corset look thingy, and yeah, it looks super unique and it gives my shirt another level of uniqueness and all that good stuff. I think this is my favorite outfit because I like that corset kind of look on me, and yeah, this look is appropriately chic and effortless. For the next outfit, I wore it like so. I mean, you can see what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain these things in words. So yeah, and another outfit is ready. It is alternate kind of thingy, and again, even this style you can wear it without shirt or anything underneath. So yeah, it will be, I think, appropriately comfortable for you, and it will give your outfit another edge, another chicness. I don't know if chicness is even a word. By the way, guys, follow me on Instagram @ChicThisStyle. I post a lot of fashion stuff, and please try to support me by subscribing to this channel. It will mean a lot. It will help me discover my YouTube on this huge platform. Yeah, thank you for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe @ChicThisStyle. Bye.